Welcome back to all of students. In previous video, we have discussed about the secondary data, qualitative data, quantitative data. Next, we have see the parameter and their example. We are going to study in this video attribute, variable, and its types and the statistical error. That concept are we are going to study in this video. Let's see the attribute. It is a two types of a numerical data. Attribute is nothing but there are the two types of numerical data. They are either positive character or the negative to character. That data is the positively describe your data or the information of data. For example, in class students, there are some students are very sincerely listening the lecture. That are the positive attribute of that student, positive character of that student. And the some student having the negative attribute or the bad attribute, that is known as a positive and the negative attribute. It is nothing but the qualitative characters. In sense, quality attribute in sense Marathi they in called as a gundharma, and Hindi there is a he called as a, so Hindi in also called as a, we called as a gundharma, or the character of a data, qualitative character of a data, that is known as a attribute. For example, sense of humor, sense of intelligence, sense of common sense, that are the character or that are the example of a data. Another example of attribute, that is the books of a library are divided into three racks: FYBSC, SYBSC, and TYBSC. That are the qualitative attribute of a library. Next is the variable. Let's see what is a variable. Variable, it is nothing but the any property of an individual that express in terms of a numerical data. Any property of individual that express in terms of a numerical data, that is known as a variable. For example, the height of a 12 12 year old boys, that are the variable. It is a 12. Our concept of variable, what is that? Any property of individual. In that example are given the height of a 12-year-old boys. What is the property? Height. Means that the property is a height. That means variable are the height. That are simple concept. In that, number of leaves on a branches. What is a variable in that example? Number of leaf. That are simple concept. The variable are expressed in terms of a rank, such as a 1 2 3 4. That variable is known as a rank variable. Get it? Variable. What is variable and how define variable? Next is the types of variable. There are two types of variable: discrete variable and continuous variable. Simple concept are given. Discrete means breaking of variable. Discrete variable, in this variable we take a finite number or the value. For example, we have to take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 finite value, that having the limit. We have to take the value up to 10. That is known as a finite variable or the finite value. That is known as discrete variable. It is also known as a discontinuous variable. Discontinuous, that means it is not continuous. For example, two variable are given. For example, 1 to 10, that are the first variable, and the second variable 1 to 100, which is a discrete. 1 to 10, there is a breaking of variable, that is known as a discrete variable. In this variable we can take a specific value only. For example, only we have to take 1 3 5 10 60 20 70. That specific value we have to take in this variable. Number of tree in a garden. We can imagine 34 50, that tree are in the garden. Number of students in a class: 10 12 40 60 70. that student are in a class. The number of fishes in the pond, 10 fishes, 2 fishes, 4 fishes, how many, that having the exact number, that is another discrete variable. Continuous variable, it is nothing but the variable are expressed in terms of a maximum value and the minimum value from 1 to 100. There is a no break between that variable, that are the is known as a continuous variable. Generally it expressed between the range value, height and the weight of a student from a population. We have to take a 55 to 70 kg, height 1 feet, height 6 feet to the 8 feet. That ranges are dependent, that is known as a continuous variable. Before we going to next point, I here clear by the discrete variable and continuous variable. I have given a one example of a, for example, there are the two variable are given. First variable that are given 1 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 30, that variable. And the another side of variable 1 to 70. Which type of variable we identify? The first telling variable, that are the discrete, there is a break are between 1 to 70. And the second type of variable, there is a no break, maximum and minimum value are considered, that is known as a continuous variable. Next concept is statistical error. Error, it is the opposite concept of accuracy. In doing the experiment, any experiment, there are the two things are happening. Either your experiment is giving the accurate result, another you having the error in a experiment, due to which you got a wrong reading or the wrong result. And error are nothing but the opposite concept of accuracy. Then what is error? Error is a difference between observed value and the expected value, that is known as a error. In practically, that are the proof. Then what is a SE? SE is in nothing but the observed value minus expected value. For example, in any experiment, observed value is a 3.9, but expected value is a 4.2. Then is our SE is a 0.3. That are the standard error or the statistical error. Simple concept of error are given. Next part we see in a next lecture. So first to summarize what see in this lecture. In this lecture we have a C, simple concept. Attribute we have seen in this lecture. Variable see in this lecture. Types of variable and statistical error we have seen. Any doubt, you can comment below the section in channel. Thank you.